Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can log into Boo Dating app. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything, and if you have any problem or anything, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started. Just follow me guys. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Boo app, and then you will be over here on this particular platform. So as you want to log in, just go with the one that you have used to log in. So you might have used your Google account, or you might have used your email. So in my particular case, I have used my Google account, so I'll go with the Google, and then it will ask you your mail, the Google account, and just choose it, and then you will be logged in like this. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.